In this video, I will show you how you can create a worksheet with QR codes. So this is the document in Word. I have typed already the title, the female reproductive system, and the directions is for the students to label the parts of the female reproductive system and use the QR codes provided for your reference. So I have already inserted the picture here of the female reproductive system, place it at the center, and then I have also inserted a shape here. We will duplicate this. This will actually serve as our placeholder of the codes, QR codes. Then we'll just align that, go to Format, click Align, click on Align Middle, then Distribute Horizontally. Then we can group them. The next thing that we'll do is to generate the QR codes. So we'll open the Google Chrome, we'll go to Google Chrome, and then you search for free QR code generator. I have actually opened this one. So since this is free, we'll use this. Just type qr-code-generator.org. So it says here free QR code generator. So we'll be using this for us to be able to generate the QR code. So you can generate QR codes for the following: link, text, email, location, and so on. Now for the link, you can input here or copy paste the URL of a YouTube video or a PDF file from your Google Drive. However, your students must be able to have the internet connection for them to access the information given by the code. So what we're going to use is the text here. So you're going to copy paste the text here or the message. Then let's generate the QR code later. So I have prepared here the text. We will use this later on and copy paste this line by line so that we'll be able to generate the QR code. Let's start copying the first sentence. Control C. Then go to the QR code generator, then paste it there. You can change the color or the design. So let's say I want this one. Then this, rounded corners. Then we'll change the frame to this. So it's now changing. Then the label font, let me change that to Arial. Then click on Save. So after saving, you click on PNG. So now it's downloading. It's already downloaded. You may open this to check the QR code. Okay, so this is now our downloaded QR code, the first QR code that we have generated. Let's copy the second sentence. Control C. Let's paste it here. Next, for the design, whatever design that you have chosen a while back, it will just be carried over. Same with the frame. So let's now save the QR code. It's now saving. Let's click on PNG. So let's be patient. So this is now the second QR code. We can actually change the name. Let's go to the download file. So I have already changed the first QR code to uterus. Let's change the second one to vagina. Let's copy the third line, the ovaries. Control C, Control V. Then we'll go to save. Then click on PNG. So we have now the third Let's rename this to ovaries. Now let's go to the fourth line here. Let's copy paste that. So we can now click the save, then PNG. So we have the fourth QR code. Let's rename that to fallopian tube. Next, we'll go to the last sentence, cervix, Control C, and then Control V. Let's click on save. So this is how easy it is to generate a QR code online using a free online tool, of course. So click on PNG. So it's now downloading. So let's check our downloaded files. So this is now the fifth. Let's rename that to cervix. So now we have 5 QR codes generated online. So we're ready to go back to our file here. Let's insert the codes. So let's start with uterus. Then let's go to wrap text. Click in front of text. So we'll just reduce the size of this. It should fit our rectangle here. Okay. So next, insert picture of the second QR code. Go to wrap text again in front of text. So what we're doing here is to insert the QR code one by one. Okay, this was moved, so let's just move that there. Next, insert another, the third. Go again to wrap text and then click in front of text. Reduce the size. Next, insert again the fourth one. Wrap text in front of text. Next, the last one, cervix, insert. Let's go to wrap text in front of text. Then we're going to insert another shape, but later on. We'll go first to text box and let's draw boxes here. This would be the boxes where our students can write their answers. And now we can insert this one, array, like a pointer. Just make that thicker. Okay, next. Okay, so if you're good with this, then you can save this file, go to Save As, and then let's say Worksheet in Bio. Let's just put QR. And then it's saved in our documents. Click on Save. This is how we can make a worksheet with QR codes. Using a free online tool like this one, free QR code generator, but make sure that you advise your students to have their QR code scanner or QR code reader. There are different tools and apps available. They can download it on their cell phones.